Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to discuss how to resolve the issue of your VPN showing as connected but not providing internet access on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your mobile device. Once the settings are open, you will see various options on your screen. Look for the option labeled Apps or something similar, such as App Management or App Manager, depending on your device. Tap on it. You will then see a list of all applications installed on your phone. Use the search bar to locate your VPN application and tap to open it. Once you are in the app settings, you will see options such as mobile data. Tap to open it. If mobile data, Wi-Fi, or background data usage is disabled, make sure to enable them. After enabling these options, go back to the previous screen. Here, you will find an option called Storage. Tap on it, and in the Storage Usage section, you will see two options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start by clearing the cache and then proceed to clear the data as well. When you clear the data, you may see a message warning that this will permanently delete files, settings, databases, and other app data. Tap OK to confirm. This step will reset your VPN application to a fresh state. After completing this, return to Settings and enable the System Apps section. Scroll down or search until you find an option called Network Diagnosis and clear its data as well. Once this step is completed, open the Google Play Store on your device, search for your VPN application again, and check if an update is available. If there is, update the app to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance, making this an important step. Finally, restart your mobile device completely by turning it off and then back on. Restarting ensures that all settings are refreshed and applied correctly. After the device restarts, connect to your VPN again, and you should be able to access the internet without any problems. Following these steps carefully should resolve the issue. Before we conclude, I would like to recommend NordVPN for a seamless and reliable VPN experience. NordVPN is known for its fast speeds, secure connections, and minimal connectivity issues. You can find a link to try NordVPN at a great price in the description below. It is an excellent choice to avoid similar problems in the future.